Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Happy New Year. I got the blood paired cichlid already. First I'm gonna talk a little bit about cichlids in general, and then I'm gonna show the actual blood parrot that I got a few weeks ago. And I got a GoPro, so now I can show you how the fish look inside of the aquariums. There are around 1,600 different species of cichlids. They are native to Africa, Central South America, and parts of Asia. Some popular cichlids are angelfish, oscars, discus, jewel cichlids, convict cichlids, and firemouth cichlids. Cichlids are a source of food in some countries and are really popular in the aquarium hobby. Many are mouth brooders. Mouth brooders are fish that protect their eggs by holding them in their mouths. Their lifespan is 8 to 20 years, depending on the kind of cichlid. The blood paired cichlid is a hybrid. The cichlids that were used to make the blood parrot are still unknown. It was first bred in 1986 in Taiwan. They are known for their unique shape and for having small mouths. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.